see the sunny sky. As I wake, I look my darling in the eye. I tell her, wait, before I tell you this. My heart loves you, but something's gotta give. I just keep on saying yes, 'cause you want me to be with you and what it seems like we should be. But I just can't let it rest, 'cause you're complaining when you speak. I can no longer keep giving what I need. I ask my mama what she thinks of you. She tells me if I stay here, I am just a fool. I realized I was filling a hole inside your soul, instead of filling mine a long time ago.
Hello all, I am Priyanka and I want to wish each one of you a very happy new year. I wish this year brings a lot of joy, happiness, luck and success to you all. Year 2020 has been a roller coaster ride for all of us, but it has taught some great lessons about life. And we all have been through some difficult times. But as they say, we should never hold on to unpleasant things. And I also want to do the same. I want to carry forward all the good things which happened to me last year. And YouTube was one of them. I got so many subscribers, got great views on my channel. I got this opportunity to work with some great brands. And I'm always grateful for all of you, those who have watched me or subscribed to my channel. So thank you guys for being the important part of my 2020. And here I am with the first video of 2021. So this is one of the most requested ones on my channel, which is home tour. So today in this video, I'm going to give you the home tour, and this video I shot long time back before Diwali, but because this COVID thing happened and I was not able to publish any video, so here I am with this long due video. So let's get started.
This is the entrance to our home. It's a servant room which is outside, a shoe rack and some DIY decor. All of these DIY decor videos are already up on my channel. For that, please do check link below in the description box. This is the foyer area. From here, let's move on to the first room which is just at the entrance. I have already shared a video on how I have created this DIY headboard. For that, please do check the link in the description box, and I always try to keep this room very simple. So this is the foyer, and on the left side you can see these Moroccan style tiles. Because I have decorated this foyer for Diwali, I kept a lot of candles, candle holders, hanging lanterns, and on the wall I tried to keep a lot of frames which add colors, which is just perfect for Diwali. This foyer opens into our living area, and I have already shared a detailed video on how I have decorated this area. So here I'm skipping that part, but I have provided all the links for all the videos in the description box and in the I button. I'm going to provide all the links for all the products purchased from Amazon over these last few years in the description box below. So those who are interested in buying these products, please do check the description box.
In the morning, I see the sunny sky. As I wake, I look my darling in.
Those who have already subscribed to my channel, they know all the details about this area till here. Now, if I will talk about this particular unit, it's a partition cum mandir, which means under the shelf we have our small mandir. And from here, our dining space starts. Opposite to this wall, we have our kitchen. And a video of our dining space makeover is also available on our channel. Especially for Diwali, I kept some decor which add colors like some candle holders and some beautiful paintings. And that's it. So this is our mandir which is under the shelf, and if we'll move a little further towards the right, we have our kitchen. And I've shared my kitchen video on this channel so many times with so many different makeovers. So I'm not gonna go in the detail about how I've decorated it. So here is the crockery unit, which is again in the dining space. And those who were asking me about the microwave, so here it is on the crockery unit. So this is all for the dining space. I kept it very simple with very simple decor on the dining table itself. From here, we have two rooms. One leads to the master bedroom and other to my son's room. So first, let's enter into his room. Here on the right side, we have his study unit. Here on the open shelf, I like to keep all these soft toys with which he doesn't play anymore. Kept very few things on the study table to make it more functional, and my husband is currently using his table for his office work. This unit holds all of his toys and some of my YouTube supplies like camera and everything. This is divan cum double bed, and behind the bed this wall is again a DIY. So this is all about Vedant's room. At last, let's enter into the master bedroom, which is our bedroom. Over these last few months, I have done so many changes in this room, and I must say, the latest one is one of my favorite. We have installed these DIY hanging lights against this grey wall, and it looks so beautiful, like how grey and white complement each other. I like to keep it very simple with few decor and some plants, and that's it about our bedroom.
In the morning, I see the sunny sky.
Now, I just want to take you back from master bedroom to the main entrance to give you an overview of my home.
In the morning, I see the sunny sky. As I wake, I look my darling in the eye. I tell her, wait, before I tell you this. My heart loves you, but something's gotta give. I just keep on saying yes, 'cause you want me to be with you and what it seems like we should be. But I just can't let it rest, 'cause you're complaining when you speak. I can no longer keep giving what I need.
So this is all for today's video, and I really hope you guys liked today's video. If so, then you know the drill. Share, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care, and thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.
In the morning, I see the sunny sky. As I wake, I look my darling